I guess that was cool. Give him a shout out. To John Valente. That's cool. Like I said in the last video, everybody has their own favorites. And I'm okay with it.
CSX Q216-13 clear, South WB, east on 2.
I think I said it in the first video. I don't remember if I did or not. I do know Q216-13 is on the way with those 3 heritage units, the military one, the police one, and the 9/11 one. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna catch it, but knowing my experience, you're coming at any time. So it's 50-50 chance I may catch it, 50-50 chance I may not. It's one of those, like, I don't know. Alright, I think this will probably be my last one. I am kind of tired. Now, I think 410 is coming tonight or tomorrow night. I think I gotta do something. I gotta do different spots. I'm at that point now. I gotta do it because doing the same thing is same spots over and over. It is getting old after a while. So I do agree. So I'm trying to figure the new way. I'm trying to figure out new spots. So I am. It's not easy. I definitely need some help with some ideas. Like Lansdowne is a good idea, and JD is a good idea. Don't forget what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so this will probably be my last one. If so, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or tonight, tomorrow, either one.
CSX Q216-13 clear, Brunswick, or 278 out.